I intentionally paused in August. I decided to take a break from teaching women, from leading women, from guiding women this month. No 31 days of Proverbs, no structured Thursday gatherings. But what I did do this month is God had me curate a place on Friday nights from 10 p.m. to midnight for productivity. It is Midnight Momentum, a productivity session for women where we gather virtually online. We are live. Women show up with their own projects that they're working on. So if it's academics, if it's business related, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and you don't know where to start, it's a good place to get in the room with other women who are walking it out in live time. And although it's not a structured space where I'm actually teaching, I do answer questions in live time for women, whether they want to know about what to do after this step in business, or how to reignite this step, or where to get money from the business, or where to go to get branding done, anything along those lines. I answer those questions in live time. What I am doing now, this is why I'm talking to you now, is that I have decided if you show up for one session of Midnight Momentum in August, I am offering it at no cost, courtesy to you, because I want you to get some work done. We're already at the halfway point of the mark, so we do it every Friday night. But if you show up for one Midnight Momentum session, I went out and purchased eons and eons, stacks and stacks of planners to raffle off and give away at the end of the month. So I am a true believer that planning and journaling adds to the success of your life as a woman, because it allows you to have structured discipline in writing out your vision, writing out your dreams, writing out your goals, putting a date on it, and then going back and reflecting to measure the scale of success, to celebrate your wins, to know that you are actually doing the work. And so here are just a few samples. This one says Amazing Grace on it. It is beautiful. This one says Be still and know that I am God. This one says Start fresh every day. I have lots and lots more that I grabbed because, again, I want you to be structured in the success of what it is you're building. And that starts with you actually putting pen to paper. Research shows that when you write it down, and the word says it too in Habakkuk 2, 2 and 3, I believe. Look it up for yourself. Write the vision, that thing that you spend time thinking about every day. Probably haven't even spoke out loud to anybody. They don't even know it's the dream you have. Write it down. Let God start to manifest that thing for you by faith. Nonetheless, Midnight Momentum every Friday night in August, 10 p.m. to midnight. We show up, we do the work. I invite you into the space. You can simply comment momentum or message me momentum. You have to do it by 8 p.m., and I will send you the link to get into the room for this week. So, again, if you show up for one session this month, I will enter you on a raffle. And at the end of the month, I will raffle off these beautiful planners to help you start to get some more discipline and structure to your day. As always, I am Dr. Autumn Fair, and I'm praying for you to win at both life and business by faith with God as your partner. Have an amazing day.